Okay, this is kind of how my mix looks. I can't lift it up to go into preferences, which I should have made the window bigger, my bad, but hit options, preferences from the top menu. And then you want to go to sound hardware and then make sure your input is set to whatever your microphone is that you're using. I highly suggest that you don't use the internal microphone in the computer because you'll hear the clicking of the keys and it'll pick up all other sounds, and if you have any sound coming out of your speakers, it'll give you feedback, and so I always use a headset. So then just hit apply, OK. And then down here on the bottom menu, you'll see mic auxiliary, and it'll bring up these little boxes. Now you can see mic 1 is set to my headset, so it is picking up my voice. I usually turn the volume down just a little bit because it tends to be a little loud, and it's very hard if you hear yourself talking. Now I have two different streams that I use. I have a personal stream, and then I have the Rossi stream, which I broadcast through the radio. When I do my own stream, there's a 20-second delay. So when I'm streaming, if I've been talking within 20 seconds, I'll hear my voice talking as I am talking and saying other words. It's really super weird to hear that. And I was just explaining to Thomas the other day that I get like drunk speech when that happens because I kind of stop to listen to myself, and I'll be like, and next will be, and it just sounds like I'm kind of drunk when I'm DJing. So just be aware of that, the delay. I kind of like the Rossi one better because it's a whole minute delay. So usually I've shut up and have been playing the next song before my speaking starts to broadcast. So just think about that. So when I want to talk, I just toggle the talk switch, and there it goes. You'll hear your voice play through it. Well, at least I hear it through my headset. But that's about it. I mean, that's how you voice. What I do is when I DJ, I use Auto DJ. And unfortunately, I didn't make my screen big enough once again. Let's see if I can. Okay, I can move this way. So I'll have songs played up, and let's just throw a couple songs up here real quick. There's my playlist, One Hit Wonders, and I don't know why Layla's there. That's not a one hit wonder, but we'll just ignore it for right now. So I put them to the top of the DJ queue. I go back to Auto DJ, and then when I hit Auto DJ, it'll automatically start playing the songs. And right now there is a 5-second in between songs. Now it's 9 seconds. That's the time I use to talk. And you can have them overlap so they kind of dovetail one song into the other. And you can go up to 10 seconds. Oh, in this version I can go up even more if I want to. I don't know why I'd want to, but I can have them overlap for a few seconds because that's normally how a song, one song would fade out and one song would fade in. And this dial will move from side to side. So if I have a song on deck 1, this will be over to this side, and then when it's going to start the next song, it'll slowly move over this way, depending on how long I made that. So that's what I use to talk. Some people play music, and you can play music when you talk. I'm trying to get the 4 decks up. No. Oh, there's 4 decks. Sorry, I'm hitting the wrong button. You can, like Auto DJ will work off of deck 1 and deck 2, which will be these 2 decks. And then on deck 3, you can put music. But it won't work with Auto DJ. It won't recognize deck 3 or deck 4. You have to do it manually, which I have done for special events, but rarely. So I hope that answers your question. But, you can always ask me more. And even if you wanted to do share screens or something, I can walk you through something. So feel free to ask.